Here's how to make app icons bigger on your iPhone. Now on your iPhone, you can see I have fairly small app icons. I can make them bigger first just by entering into your settings. I'm going to show you 3 different options to be able to make those app icons bigger, depending on your preference. So let's scroll down and first just go to Display and Brightness. Tap on that. And now from here, all I need to do is scroll down. You can see Display Zoom. It says choose a view for your iPhone. Larger text shows larger controls. And I can switch this from the default over to larger text, but this will increase the app icon size as well. You can see the app icons are bigger. I can hit the check mark and then use zoomed. Your whole screen will go black for a sec. Then it will come back as larger. You can see now all of these app icons are larger, but keep in mind when you do that, it makes everything larger, the text and all that stuff. So you might not like this option. You might want to just make the app icons larger. And if you do, I'll show you another option. Let's switch this back to default and hit use standard, and I'll show you those other options. After we've done that, let's hop out of here. And you'll be able to see all of the app icons are fairly small. I'm going to press and hold towards the bottom of my screen. Basically, you're going to press somewhere where there isn't an app icon. And then tap on the edit button at the top left, and then tap on customize. After you've done that, you can see next to tinted at the top right are those 2 squares. Just tap on those 2 squares. You can see just like that, it makes all of those app icons bigger. It removes the label, so you need to be okay with that. Again, the smaller app icons have those labels, whereas the bigger ones don't have labels. However, there's one other way to make them even larger. And to be able to do that, all you need to do is press and hold on that app. So let's say Facebook, we want to be larger. I'm going to press and hold on the app. And you'll be able to see, oh, it didn't pop up here on that, but let's press and hold on Instagram. It doesn't work for every single app. It works for most apps though. You can see at the top left are those 2 squares and then a larger square and a rectangle. I can tap on that and you can see it immediately makes that app icon larger. I can again tap and hold on it and switch it to this screen, and it will make it even larger. And you can see as I tap on it, it will open up the Instagram app so that I can start using it. Keep in mind, a lot of apps have this. Again, I can press and hold and tap the larger icon to basically turn this into a widget so that all those app icons are larger so they're easier to see and open up.